Did you know elephants can actually get sunburned, or that they're terrified of bees? Stick around because we're diving deep into the world of these magnificent giants, and trust me, some of these facts will absolutely blow your mind. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most intelligent and emotionally complex animals on the planet, the elephant. We all know they're big and have long trunks, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Let's get started with our first and perhaps most surprising fact. Fact number 1. Elephants have incredible memories, but they also mourn their dead. This isn't just a saying, it's a scientifically observed behavior. Elephants have been seen visiting the graves of their deceased family members for years. They'll gently touch the bones with their trunks and feet, standing in silence for long periods. This behavior suggests a deep emotional connection and an understanding of loss that is rarely seen outside of humans. They don't just remember locations of water or food, they remember relationships. This powerful sense of family and community is one of the most touching aspects of elephant society. Imagine feeling that level of connection. It really puts their intelligence into perspective, doesn't it? Moving on to fact number 2, and this one is a bit lighter. Elephants are afraid of bees. It sounds almost comical, right? A creature that can weigh up to 6 tons being scared of a tiny insect. But it's true. Researchers in Africa noticed that elephants actively avoid acacia trees, which are often home to beehives. The reason is simple. While a single bee sting won't do much, a swarm can be incredibly painful, especially when they sting the sensitive areas around an elephant's eyes and inside their trunk. This discovery has led to an amazing conservation strategy called the Elephants and Bees Project. Farmers in Africa are now using beehive fences to protect their crops. The elephants hear the buzzing, stay away from the farms, and the farmers get a bonus crop of delicious honey. It's a win-win for both humans and elephants, proving that sometimes the smallest creatures can have the biggest impact. Ready for fact number 3? Let's talk about their amazing trunks. An elephant's trunk is a fusion of its nose and upper lip, and it's one of the most versatile tools in the animal kingdom. It contains over 40,000 individual muscles, divided into about 150,000 units. For comparison, the entire human body has just over 600 muscles. This incredible muscular structure allows for both immense power and delicate precision. An elephant can use its trunk to lift a log weighing hundreds of pounds, but it can also use it to pick up a single blade of grass or even a delicate flower without crushing it. They use their trunks to breathe, smell, drink, and communicate. When they go for a swim, they can even use their trunks as a natural snorkel. It's an all-in-one super appendage. Now for our 4th fact, which highlights their remarkable intelligence. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. This might not sound like a big deal, but it's a sign of self-awareness and advanced cognitive ability shared by only a few other species, including great apes and dolphins. When presented with a mirror, elephants don't just think they're seeing another elephant. They will investigate their own bodies, touching parts of themselves they can't normally see, like a mark painted on their forehead. This test, known as the Mirror Self-Recognition Test, is a benchmark for animal intelligence. It proves that elephants have a concept of self, an understanding that they are individuals separate from others. It's a profound insight into the mind of these gentle giants. And finally, our 5th fact for today, an elephant's skin isn't as tough as it looks. Remember how I mentioned they can get sunburned at the beginning? Well, it's true. An elephant's skin is about an inch thick, but it's also very sensitive. To protect themselves from the harsh sun and insect bites, elephants take regular mud and dust baths. They'll spray themselves with water and then cover their bodies in a thick layer of mud or dust. This acts as a natural sunscreen and insect repellent. The wrinkles and folds in their skin actually help hold this protective layer in place for longer, It's also why you often see baby elephants staying close to their mothers, walking in their shadow for extra protection from the sun. It's a clever, built-in skincare routine. So there you have it, 5 incredible facts that show just how amazing elephants truly are. From their deep emotional lives and complex social structures to their surprising fears and brilliant problem-solving abilities, they are far more than just big animals. They are intelligent, self-aware beings that deserve our respect and protection. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned something new and have a greater appreciation for these magnificent creatures. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.